Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Meta's new app, Threads. Now this is quite a cool new app. It's pretty similar to Twitter, but since it's owned by Facebook and Instagram, you can actually make an account really easily as it's kind of linked between them all. So I'll show you now exactly how that works. So to start with, you first want to download it off the App Store. And once you've got it downloaded, you just want to click it to open it. And this is the starting page. Now, here you can see at the bottom, log in with Instagram, and it shows my Instagram handle. So it's super easy to sign up. You basically just click this button, and as you can see, it will ask you to customize my profile. So here at the top's your name, but as it's linked to Instagram, you cannot actually change it here. So if you want to change it, you'd have to change your Instagram account first, and then automatically it will be changed in here also. So then from here, you can also add a bio and you can add a link. Or if you use Instagram a lot and you've got a nice profile already made, what you can do is you can click import from Instagram and do that. Now from here, you can choose what privacy settings you want. Just like Instagram, you can either have a public profile or a private profile. I'm going to go ahead and choose private for now. As you can see here, it says follow the same account you follow on Instagram. And I've blurred it out, but these are all people that I know and follow on Instagram. So if you're setting this up and you just want to follow all your friends that you already follow on Instagram, you can either choose to manually follow them, or at the bottom there is actually a button to follow all. So you can go ahead and click that and follow every single friend that you already have on Instagram. And then once you're ready, click join Threads, and you can choose whether it wants to send you notifications or not. And once you've gone through that, your account is successfully set up and you are now ready to use Threads. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that it helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.